Yeah, I definitely the markets are mixed. Coming into today, the question was, what is going to be the headline that we're going to watch today? What's going to be the catalyst? I think what we were watching or paying attention to was President Trump speaking at the UN, hearing what he had to say. Didn't really have an effect on the market. We didn't think it was going to have an effect on the market. The only time it would is if he would say something kind of go off script, which he did not. So right now, yeah, the markets are definitely kind of mixed at this point. Not a lot of economic data out there today that's going to move the market. I think investors are looking at a few things. One is some headlines came out saying that there's some more U.S.-China talks coming in 2 weeks. We've heard that headline before. I would bet you a buck that in 2 weeks the talks will get delayed another 2 weeks. So I don't think investors should really hang their hats on it that much. And also, we're getting to the end of the month, end of the quarter. We just got through a big rebalance on Friday. So I'm expecting a lot more activity coming this Friday and Monday.
Any particular sectors you're expecting this activity?
I think it's across the board when we see it. But I think, some sectors that investors can continue to look at, and two that, we've spoken about before. It's you got to watch for those higher dividend stock portfolios that are out there. I think investors have been trying to find that safe haven with all the uncertainty that's going on with U.S.-China. And then also when we're talking about the Fed and what the Fed's doing and their outlook and interest rates, finance has definitely, come back into light in that sector.
What do you think about Netflix turning negative year to date? That was a high flyer at one point. What do you think about it now?
So Netflix it's a real interesting story, right? I mean, they were the Amazon of streaming services, and now what we're seeing is a lot of these networks are coming out with their own services, and us as consumers are going to have to start picking. I'm going to spend $9.99 a month on HBO, or go to Disney or Disney Plus, or try to go to different venues that are out there. I know in my household right now, I think we subscribe to, between my kids, probably 5 different services that they want to watch. And I think, unfortunately, that's where the model is going at this point, right? I mean, go back in time, bundling packages was the big thing, right? In your home, you had the cable, wireless, and telephone. And it seems like that worked for a while, but now we're streaming away from that, so to speak. So I think Netflix, that was that one-stop shopping in town, and the big game in town, now is going to face a lot of competition moving forward.
It will be. They'll have to pump some original content for sure, because to be honest, I'm chasing The Office and I'm chasing Friends. So wherever that goes, that's where I'll be.
Yeah, and you have the announcements out of Apple last week about what they're doing and as far as what they're going to produce, and we continually see it with Amazon. So clearly the competition is out there. Disney. Those are big firms big companies that are out there that are spending billions of dollars on their own content.
Well, I know that you have to hit the trading floor. Thank you so much, Jonathan. We love talking to you on Tuesdays. That's Jonathan Corpina from Meridian Equity Partners. Have a good day.
Thanks, Liv.